What's going on, guys, and welcome to Mando Outdoor Gear Reviews. Today I got an unboxing and an install on a few parts that I just received in the mail. The parts that I received were from Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. Now, I'll give you a quick little backstory before we go ahead and get into this unboxing. I've used Bullet Point Mounting Solutions for the last two vehicles, probably about 3 or 4 years now. I absolutely love their products, and I stand by them. On my last overlanding trip, I had an issue with my iPad mount. Now, it hasn't broken or anything like that, but I did notice when I went on the trails, my tablet kept falling out of its mount. I reached out to Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. They reached back to me and asked me for some photos and videos and asked me if I can recreate what was going on, and I couldn't because I wasn't on a trail. It doesn't happen when I normally drive on regular roads or highways. They said, no problem, we'll fix it. Received the package today. I was expecting it to be a small box, and I got a large box. So I'm a little excited to see what I got. So let's go ahead and take a look. Obviously, I do got I'm pretty sure that's what this is, which it is. This is my tablet holder, because the other ones don't look like they could be a tablet holder. My thing is, I want to see if they did change their mount, which I think they did. So always get your Bullet Point stickers and all their packages, and the mount is definitely different, and I'll show you the differences here in a second. And an effort tool. All right. Adjustable. That's actually pretty big. So no, that's actually for a pretty good sized tablet. All right. So I'm going to take off my mount, and I'm going to show you the differences. All right. So here's the differences. It's upside down. All right. This one's a lot more narrower, as you can tell, because I can adjust the feet, and you can also adjust the height. However, the difference is, you can see it here, they have these little lips, and this doesn't have it. All this has is foam. So it's vibrating forward and slipping off the mount. With these, once it's pressed down, it's going to stop at that. And that's what I'm excited about, because now I shouldn't have any issues while I'm out on the trail. So let's install that right fast, since I got it undone. And that's the one thing I like about these, how quick and easy it is to change things out. I'll tighten it down later. All right, so I have the 10th gen iPad. All right, I'm gonna have to make a little bit of an adjustment, but it's gonna stop at those feet, and I don't have to worry about it vibrating out. Awesome. Appreciate that. All right, now on to the other two packages that came in that box. So we got two. Headrest Molle. Oh, hell yeah. Sticker swag. Now, if the camera's out of focus, I already have Molle panels on my sun visors. I love Molle. I got my truck bed lined in Molle. I got the Molle panels on the side of the rack. I love it because it's so versatile. And this is something that I have been wanting to do, which I have bags strapped to my headrest, one for first aid, one's got some tools and stuff in it. This is going to be different, and I can't wait to install that. So, sun visor Molle. And I'm going to show you something I just noticed. And I put this one down. And I'm going to, these are metal. Well, it's not going to cling like metal, but I can already tell the difference. The ones that I have are fiberglass. They're flimsy. Let me install this right quick. And I'm glad. I've been wanting to replace these. I don't have an issue with them. A major issue. The issue I have with them is this. You can see it hanging down. I never went and cut the straps, and the only reason why I didn't cut the straps is because they always loosened up, and I didn't want to cut them too loose and this thing fall on me. And it's got all these buckles. This doesn't sit super flush, and that's the major issue. But they don't make a whole lot of stuff at the time when I bought this for the vehicle I bought it for, so that's why I bought them. I found these on Amazon. All right. Going this way. Yeah. All right. There's one. And it's stretchy. That's what I like about that. I'll tighten these up in a little bit, but I already like those a lot better. I don't have to worry about those straps coming down and hitting me in the head. And it's got cordage on it to strap stuff down like my other one does. I can't wait to put that down. I have one thing to complain about. Bullet Point. I wish you'd have sent me a pair. But no worries. I'm going to go and place an order to get the other ones. Let's go ahead and jump in the back and we'll install the headrest one right quick. All right. So I was having a hard time I can't figure out how to lift those up, but I had a bag on it already, but I took that off. So apologize about that. These things actually feel amazing. The metal is definitely way better feeling than the fiberglass one. I'm super excited about this. All right. There's one. And there's that. Let's get focus a little better. Well, maybe get a little closer. That looks a lot better. I like that. All right. Well, that's what I got for you guys today. I want to thank Bullet Point Mounting Solutions for sending this out to me. You're gonna have to stay tuned, Bullet Point. I'm gonna have to order some stuff now and get the other side because yeah, my OCD is kicking in right now. If you guys haven't checked them out or you guys are curious about it, I highly recommend Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. Their products are on point. Their customer service is fantastic. Yeah, I mean, and mine's trail tested, so these stuff do work. I can't speak about the tablet mount as of right now because I did use it in my other vehicle and I was on trails. I did have a smaller tablet, so that could be playing a part in it. But this new mount, I believe, is not going to have any issues. And if it does, I know Bullet Point Mounting Solutions is going to take care of me. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow for more videos. Take a look at my Instagram, Mando_outdoors. I will have more photos posted of this in better detail. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate y'all for watching.